my channel. Today I'm going to show you some products that were sent to me by a company called Tryazon. I've been testing products for Tryazon for about 3 years, anywhere from food to beauty to perfumes and makeups and stuff like that. So they recently sent me products by this company called Curl Keeper. Normally you would have an at-home party with people in your home. But since we are in a pandemic, everybody knows we're in COVID times, the parties, a lot of them are being held virtually through Zoom meetings or Facebook meetings. I decided to hold my party as a YouTube video. So let me show you what they sent me. Now I have wavy to curly hair. So these products are perfect for me. They sent me a party pack, looks like this. Now I've opened it and I've already used the products a few times because I wanted to practice with them before showing you how they worked. First they sent me a nice brush. This is a really lightweight, airy type brush. The bristles are spaced, and this is great for combing, believe it or not, your wet hair or even your dry hair. Now, the first time I used these are curling products, I did use the brush and I combed it through. I found though it was more effective if I didn't use the brush and comb out my curls and just used my fingers. So you'll see that later on in the video. Then they sent me this. This is just a plain bottle for water, and it's a mister. It has water in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oops. Probably can't see it, but it's a very fine mist of water. Love it. Then, let me show you that second. They sent me the Frizz-Free Curls. It's an original liquid styler. You put this into your wet hair and you use the brush to brush it through or your fingers. This is the first product to get the curls. And then after you sleep on them or you wake up the next day, you need to refresh your curls. They sent me this product. It's a refresh. It's called Next Day Styling Spray Refresh with Hold. This is kind of like hairspray, but it's not as sticky as hairspray, so you can work it through your hair. And it's also in a spray bottle. They sent a bunch of instructional cards explaining all the products that Curl Keeper sells in a handy dandy brochure. So it's everything in their product line. And lastly, they sent me a bunch of samples. This is a lot of samples. So if you'd like, if you're one of the first 3 people in the United States to email me at my email address in the description box, I will send you some samples so you can try it out yourself. I'm limiting it to the United States just because postage is so expensive and it wouldn't be worth sending this to Europe or Asia or even Canada. So I'm sorry guys, it's a money thing. So send me, the first 3 people that send me an email will get some of these products. So that's what they sent me to host the party. Basically these. And in the next segment of this video, I'm going to show you how to apply it to wet hair. And I'll show you the results. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Hi guys. Now I am going to show you how the Curl Keeper system works. It's really simple. I just showered my hair. It is wet. And I am going to apply the liquid stylizer. This is the original liquid stylizer. Now they say that you should apply it and brush it through with the brush. I've done that, but I think for my hair, it's more effective when I just apply the styler, and I'm not using a lot, and just use my fingers. put it in. It really goes in nice and smooth. It says to get your ends. So let me get a little bit more on the ends. And now I am going to do their recommended method, which is the scrunching method, just scrunching. So they tell you to do 30 to the left, 30 to the right. I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch it, do a bunch of 30s all over the place, and then I'm gonna let it air dry. So let's get started. So I'm going to keep working on my hair, just scrunching it, and then I'm going to let it air dry. And when it's dry, I will come back on camera and show you all the curls. See you in a little bit. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. My hair is basically dry. And this is the results. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there is definitely a lot of curl and volume to my hair. And I'm very, very, very pleased with the results. Just want to make sure you can see it. There's no frizz. And what I'm going to do is tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to show you where this product comes in. This is the next day styling spray. It's kind of like hairspray, and you wet your hair, just very fine mist with this, put in the styling spray, scrunch it up, and you should be good to go. So these are the Curl Keeper products. Very, very happy with the result. I'm just hoping you can see in the video. I did not use a blow dryer. This is 100% air dried hair. And the only product I used was my wet hair and the original liquid styler. So, see you tomorrow when I wake up and refresh the curls. There you go. One last look. Remember, I got these products from Tryazon. I'll leave the details in the description box if you're interested in getting products from Tryazon as well. I've done many parties for them in the past. So, thanks Tryazon, appreciate it. Hi guys, it's the next day and this is slept on hair. I basically woke up, got ready for the day. Now I am going to use this product. This is the Next Day Styling Spray. What you do is spray this in your hair, but just a little because it's like hairspray and you don't want to spray too much. This is going to revitalize my curls. So this is how it works. Just spray a drop in. That's all I'm going to use. Use the scrunching method. And I'm going to bend over just to get, now I don't have, you know, really big curls. I have more wavy hair. And this is the result. And what I like about this, the revitalizer, just drop more in. Is it adds volume to my hair. It adds a lot of volume. And that's it. I'm ready to go. So I just used 2 products on my hair. This is the Revitalizer, and yesterday I used the liquid styler. The water bottle, this is just plain water. If you need to mist your hair a little bit, just add it in there, scrunch it up, and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Check out these products from Curl Keeper, and I will leave the link below where you can buy them too. And remember, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.